Hi, it's Heidi Trueblood of Your Mountain Life Real Estate here in Eagle County. Wanted to stop mid-ride today and talk to you a little bit about the awesome neighborhood of Wildridge. I'm here right now, you can see it behind me. Started building homes in Wildridge in the 80s. It's about a 2-mile drive up from the town of Avon. Unbelievable thing about Wildridge are the views. And most of the homes are south facing, where you get views of Vail Mountain all the way across to Beaver Creek, depending on your location, to Arrowhead and of the New York Range. And you get amazing trails right outside your door. Some cool things about Wildridge: only you have to short-term rent for at least 30 days. So a lot of your neighbors are full-time residents. You are part of the town of Avon, which means you get Avon benefits, including these trails right here at the Avon Preserve. Great for hiking and mountain biking. That's it for now. Have a great day.